Imagine a world where your car is as constantly evolving as your smartphone. That's the promise of software-defined vehicles, SDVs. They're computers on wheels, capable of learning, adapting, and improving over time. But this shift to SDV comes with system complexity. As vehicles become more software-driven, managing the numerous software functions and updates becomes increasingly unwieldy. Enters VECU, Virtual Electronic Control Unit, your key to early validation, cost efficiency, and process excellence. VECU is a software-based replica of a real ECU. It enables developers to simulate, test, and validate software early in the development cycle, without needing physical hardware. Virtual ECUs represent a significant leap forward in the automotive industry, providing solutions to the complex challenges of software-defined vehicles. By understanding the different levels of virtual ECUs, you can appreciate how these advancements contribute to a more reliable, secure, and flexible driving experience. Let's break down the 5 levels of VECU. At level 0 is the basic building block that simulates only the control logic of an ECU. Level 1 consolidates some functions but doesn't fully exploit the benefits of virtualization. Level 2 virtual environment includes the application code and simulated middleware. Level 3 incorporates the complete production middleware stack along with a part of the host operating system. Level 4 is the most detailed simulation of an electronic system, where you can take unmodified binary code, which is compiled for actual hardware, and execute it with no changes. When assessing VECU setup, these are the key performance indicators businesses care about. How accurately does the VECU model reflect the real ECU environment? How early in the product cycle is the VECU available? How fast is the VECU compared to the real ECU? How easy is it to maintain and update the VECU? Together, these KPIs help the businesses measure the maturity of VECU deployment across all levels. OEMs, Tier 1s, and startups across the globe are already integrating VECU into their software development pipelines. From EV platforms, to ADAS validation and system development for powertrain, IVI, and telematics, virtual ECUs are reducing timelines, slashing hardware costs, and making early integration a reality. But to truly scale this maturity across teams, projects, and product lines, we turn to a SPICE, an industry-standard framework that works hand-in-hand with VECU methodology, but we'll dive into a SPICE in our next video. Meanwhile, if you have any questions about VECU or how they can accelerate your automotive development, feel free to reach out to us, we'd love to talk.